everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Having Fun with Fashion Over 50. On today's video, I have a brand new box to my channel called The Box by Fashionsta. I don't know too much about this box so far, but I went ahead and signed up. I am going through these different subscription boxes trying to find out which ones I like and which ones I don't. So I wanted to start dabbling with some more different boxes. So for this month I decided to go with this company, and the little bit that I know about it, it is $24.99 and I'm supposed to receive 5 to 7 beauty products in this. And that's pretty much all I know about it. If there's any information, I will leave it down below if you want to click on it and go check it out yourself. But that's basically it. So let's go ahead and open it and I will show you what I got. Now, I think when I signed up for this, I had to get on like a waiting list also. So you guys might have to get on the waiting list before you actually get it. I think I was on the waiting list maybe 1 or 2 months. I'm not 100% sure, but don't be surprised if that happens. Okay, but here's what it looks like. It looks like a information card, and it says, Happy New Decade. Thank you for subscribing to The Box by Fashionsta, a consciously curated selection of glam and skincare products, predominantly featuring trending and amazing indie brands for you to discover with a high focus on vegan and cruelty-free practices. But here's what it looks like. It looks really nice, just like all the other ones. They're nicely wrapped, and it looks like the little confetti papers. And let's go ahead and get straight into it and see what we get. Okay, the first one out is this. And this looks like a blackhead steam pour pack, and also a step 2, a pour original pack. And I will read what it says on here about this. This says, let's see, pour blackhead steam pack and pour original pack duo. And this retails for $16. And what it says is a detoxifying duo featuring a steaming mask that opens and deeply cleanses pores, then a cooling mask to tighten and minimize the appearance of pores. Oh, so that's good. It's 2 products in here, and one opens it and cleans it, and then the other one will close it. And where are my scissors? Ah, here they are. Let's open this and check this out real quick. Yeah, I like that. 2 features in one. Uh-oh. It looked like a little spoon. It just went flying across the room, so I'm not going to get up and get it right now. Oh, but it looks like 2 stacking bottles on top of each other. There's the bottom. I'm assuming since it's blue, that would be the cooling one. No scent. And then the top one. Ooh, that's black. Wow. Okay, that's going to be interesting. You know, right now I'm in the middle of doing a face mask. I might do this one for you guys tomorrow. Okay, you guys probably going to see this video first before you see the face mask. But I think I'm going to do a face mask because I have 7 face masks coming up, so you guys be on the lookout. If you don't know, click on the little bell, and when that uploads, it will let you know when I upload a new video. Okay, now it looks like I have something else, and that is this. And this is Metalite, and this is $15. And this says it is an oil-based face gel that works as a sleeping mask, highlighter, and a 20-minute treatment and moisturizer to instantly hydrate and tone for post-facial results. Akaya, rich in vitamins and antioxidants, effectively restores skin's elasticity levels and easily absorbs to relieve dull, uneven complexion. Okay, so it sounds like after you do this, then you would put this on. It's a little tiny bottle. Did I say it retails for $15? It has a little safety seal here. Wow. Okay, I could see that as a highlighter. I don't know if that's picking up, but it has like a nice little two-tone shimmering shimmer going. Oh, here. Let me see if that will pick up. Got some on my finger. Is that picking up? So yeah, that could be a highlighter. We'll stay tuned for that one. It looks like nice products though. I like it so far. Okay, and now the next one out. Now I just got dirty hands and I got the box dirty, but it's all white and I can't read it. But it's called Klee. And this says, okay, this is a multi-cream, retails $32. And it says a multi-cream is rich and luxurious multifunctional cream infused with calming Palo Santo essential oils and extract for moisturizing skin. Ideal for daily use moisturizer for all skin types and relieves with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, shea butter, and a combination of fruit extracts. Well, that sounds like very, very good ingredients. And I am just ripping this box open because I know I'm keeping this. This is not, anytime a moisturizer with all those good products are in it, you know I'm keeping it. So let me go ahead and open it. Okay, here it is. Oh, looks nice and thick. This is a pretty large bottle too. Look at that. This is definitely a full size. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is like soft and creamy and buttery. Oh, yeah. Wow, I'm liking this. Looks like a very heavy skincare box. I mean, you got your pore cleaners, you got your highlighter and or moisturizer, and you also have this moisturizer. So that's good three skincare products right there. And it looks like they're all full size. All right, let's go to the next one. Now this looks like a makeup one. This is City Limits Eye Palette. And what it says about this is this retails for $20 and it's by IBY Beauty. And it says this eyeshadow palette is packed with 12 highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades infused with rosehip seed oil for skin protecting properties. This mauve palette is the ideal balance of light transition and dark shades. We can't wait to see what looks you create. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, look at that. It has a plastic shield over it. Let me pull that off. Oh, I really like those colors. Pinks and purple and mauves. And there's some neutral shades in there too. Oh, I think I'm definitely gonna like this palette. Oh, some green and blue. I don't do those too much, but I could use it maybe on the top of my eyeliner, like, you know, just right on the top of my eyelids. Oh, I really like this. I'm not gonna swatch it, but I'm definitely gonna play with that. And this retailed for $20. Wow, this is $24.99. I'm liking these skincare products I'm getting. Wow, okay. And now we have, this looks like eyeliner. And this is called Girl Tactic Precision Marker Liner, $20. And I love that marker. I love that kind of marker right there. I can really get a good line with that. Oh, yep, beautiful. I'm going to like this. And what it says favored by many with a Star Beauty Award behind it. The precision marker liner was designed to create a thin or thick cat-winged liner. The tip is soft and precise with a weightless, long-lasting, smudge-proof formula. So, yay! Okay, I'm seeing a theme here, guys. And now I have two more. Is this together? Oh, I think it is. Yeah. A lip crayon, Luna and Company, Bang Beauty. This long wearing lip crayon delivers high pigment, rich color that lasts. It locks in hydration, leaving your lips soft long after wear. Using one swipe, the Bang Beauty lip crayon delivers full coverage while feeling extremely lightweight to the touch. Okay, so that's this one right here. And this retails for $18. Oh, what a pretty color. Oh, I love that color. Oh, I'm so happy with this one so far. Wow, I think this is comparing, dare I say it, to Boxy Charm. Okay, and now we have one more product. And that, what is this one? Luna and Luna? Oh, this is lip oil. Okay, so this retails for $18. And it says this lip oil formula is a luxurious treatment oil that transforms lips from dry and damaged to moisturized and hydrated, all while adding just a hint of sheer color. And there it is. It's a nice lip oil. Looks like just a clear oil. I like it. Okay, so I am pretty happy. That's all the products that came in here. Like I said, it was $24.99, and it looks like I got 2 products for my lips, 2 products for my eyes, being the eyeliner and eye palette, and 3 products for my skincare. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items for $24.99. So I am very impressed with this box so far. So I'm glad I tried this one. This is, I'm very, very, very happy right now. Okay, if you guys are liking these videos, please click the like and subscribe button down below. And as always, thank you again for watching. Bye-bye. Woo, I like